In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the problem of Instagram not showing highlights. But before we get started, please consider leaving a like on this video. Now, let's first check if Instagram is up to date and if our story privacy settings are properly configured. To do this, open the Play Store and make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed. Then, open the app and click on the three lines at the top right corner, select Settings, Privacy, and then Story. Make sure you haven't hidden your story from anyone. If the problem persists, we can try three solutions. The first one is to completely uninstall Instagram and then reinstall it. This is because sometimes deleting and reinstalling an app can solve such problems. To do this, we first need to clear Instagram's data. Go to Settings, click on Apps, then Manage Apps, and type Instagram in the search bar. Click on Storage, then Clear Data, and finally, Clear All Data. After that, you can delete Instagram from your device and then download and install it again from the Play Store. If the first solution doesn't work, we can try the second one. That is to switch our Instagram account to a professional account. This is a simple process. Just go to Settings, click on Account, and then on Switch to Professional Account. You can choose any category you want and then click Done and Next. Finally, click on Not Now to complete the process. Then, check if the problem is solved or not. If none of the above solutions work, we can try downloading an older version of Instagram. This is because the issue we're experiencing may be caused by the latest update of Instagram. To download an older version, first, delete the up-to-date Instagram from your device. Then, open your browser and look for the link to download the older version. I'll put the link in the video description. After downloading it, install it and check if the problem is solved or not. That's it for this video. I hope one of these solutions helped you solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.